This is an emergency Bitcoin update as we are right now in free fall mode, losing $89,000, currently at a price that many said we would never see. And of course, this price action, I'm not going to sugarcoat this, it's scarier than this picture of me after graduating with my very expensive degree in trans non-carbon binary emission gender studies. But here's the deal, guys. We are here right now to relax and look at this objectively, break down the charts, and prepare for what we need to do next. Because we have been calling for this level to get taken now for weeks. And this short trade that I'm in right now was a setup we were prepared for, given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. So sit back, relax, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell for notifications because...
Jason Casper, let me tell you, that man is something else. He's the first ever trans non-carbon binary emission gender standards major to ever reach 200,000 subscribers on YouTube.
We're going to keep this very simple. Last Tuesday, I took a long trade from $93,300. It was a level I had been waiting for, part of a potential bullish scenario where this was our low, this was our high, this was our higher low, and then we were going to get a retracement from this level and then blast off. And I said, if we lose this level, then we're going to be coming down to take the low at $89,000. And of course, you guys saw me take this trade live. You saw me hit a take profit one, and you saw this trade get stopped out in profit. Closed it for a $2,700 profit. And I got to give a major shout out to the Casper Crew VIP Discord because we did take the long trade from $89,000. The setup was given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord all the way back in January. And of course, we locked in a juicy profit with that trade. And then we took the long trade from $91,000 right over here. The setup was given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. From right here, we locked in that juicy profit. And then, of course, we took the short trade from right up here at $106,000. Setup was given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. And we still have that trade open right now with a realized profit of $10,000, unrealized of $14,000. If you want to join the best community in the world, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com. Click the link to join the VIP Discord. And also, guys, if you want to trade, I'm currently trading on BLOFIN with up to 10% cash back on everything you deposit. I'm also trading on Weeks. Best deal on fees right now over on Weeks, guys. Links to all this is in the pinned comment and the description if you're interested. And the narrative has been, if we lose $93.3 thousand, then we're probably going to take out the $89,000 low and come right into this box where we are at right now. This is a very key make it or break it zone. Why? Because this entire structure here is a sideways range. We have the low of our range coming down between $85,000 and $87,000, and we have the high of our range up here at around $108,000. What does this mean? This means we could very easily see a fake out of this range coming down into our box, and then we see a reversal back into the range. So scenario number one for the bulls is actually a long position right from this area. Right from around this area, the two scenarios are this. Either our low is in right now at this key level, or we actually take the liquidity down here at $85,000 for a nice fake out and then a reversal back into the range. Now, if we do not see support here, I need to give a serious warning because on the weekly time frame, you can see that we have printed a higher high where the price has made a higher high and the oscillator market Cipher B has made a lower high and the money flow coming down. This is known as the upside down Sam Bankman-Fried bearish man breast pattern, where as the price is getting higher, Sam Bankman-Fried's man boobs are getting lower, colloquially known as a bearish divergence. And you can see right here that this bearish divergence has confirmed, and when we go down to the daily time frame, we actually did have a bullish divergence right here that failed to give us a higher high. Remember the long trade I took and closed in a small profit? I took that trade because of the bullish divergence, but now we're seeing very, very deep momentum. So right now, the possibility is this is a bottom, and it's going to be done with a hidden bullish divergence, whereas the price is making a higher low on this trend line. We are seeing the oscillator making a very, 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 very oversold wave where we come down to this box and we get a reversal. If not, look at this chart here. There is no support underneath $85,000, literally no support. That means we could easily see a move if we lose 85K down to $77,500 or potentially all the way back down to the low 70s. Now, I know these are levels people said we will never see these Bitcoin prices. But remember, people were saying all this time we're never going to see under 90K again. Well, here we are. So I'm here to warn. If we do not see the bounce from this box, then it's very probable we get our move down to 77.5 or even the low 70s before we get a bounce. And to answer the question everybody's wondering, is the bull market over? In my opinion, the bull market is not over, and here's why. When we look at what happened previously, we can see that we form highs like we did back here in 2021 with the bearish divergences on the weekly time frame as the price is getting higher, momentum, money flow getting lower. But then we get everybody really, really scared, really, really bearish, just to get a one last pump scenario where we form that final wave on market Cipher B to give us that final bearish div. We are setting ourselves up perfectly right now to do just that. A fake out, either a fake out from here or a little bit of a deeper retracement, freak everybody out, and then come for our higher high later on in 2025, where we finally do make our final weekly bear div. Okay, so I just want to warn everybody right now, depending on what happens in this box is really going to determine what happens for Bitcoin. You know, we could see a very quick move down. All right, I just want to warn people, we could see a very, very quick move down. Please be careful. Okay, right now as we're coming to this area, we have a clear line in the sand. We have a clear line in the sand, $85,000, clear line. We close the daily candle below 85. We could get a fast move down. We close the daily candle right now after bouncing from this box. We could actually see a fake out with a lot of people missing the boat, getting bearish and then missing the boat, potentially back up to the top of the range. So that is it for this Bitcoin update, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell. I will be going live later to live trade this price action. May God bless everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah, and I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace!